Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add an AI chatbot on your Wix website. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Right here in the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. Go to the site you want to edit and then hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once you're here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen and then you're going to find all of these sections. So right now, go all the way down and click on edit site. Once you click on edit site, you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So just wait for this page to load. Once the page is loaded, right here, as you can see, guys, this is basically the editor for Wix. So right now, just go to the left side of your screen. You're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. So right now, go to add apps. And then here you're going to find app market and custom apps. Make sure you select app market and then go to the search bar and search for chatbot. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter. And then right here, you're going to find a lot of results for your search. So go ahead and choose the chatbot that you want. So I recommend you guys to choose Wix Chat. Go ahead and click on it and then click on add to site. After that, just wait for the application to be added to the site. And then as you can see, guys, this is it. So once you finish, make sure you save your changes and you're good to go. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.